Good morning guys, welcome to the e-bike repairs YouTube channel. I've got in today this battery. I was just about to capacity test it. It's come off a bike with the blown controller, and so it charged up fine. Nothing on the lights here, no voltage on the output. I thought, oh no. It's a 36 volt 13 amp hour pack. Electric Bike Conversions Limited. They sold loads of these. I suspect because the controller has blown up, this fuse has blown up also, and has gone. If there's even a fuse in here. Let's have a little look, shall we? It's underneath this rubber cover here, which ideally I'd like to put back if I could, and not completely ruined. So, let's try and do this in some slightly non-destructive way. There it is. And then to get the fuse out, you normally just use a pair of long nose pliers. Mine don't fit. You'd normally just use a pair of long nose pliers. Wow. Well, okay. And test the fuse. Oh look, it's blown. What a surprise. Don't know why I can't pull that out there. It's actually really annoying. Ah, there you go. Just need the right set of pliers. There you go. Blown fuse. 30 amp. It's like a bog standard car type fuse. Oh look, here's a 30 amp fuse I made earlier. Okay, a bit of a wiggle. You want to make sure it's properly seated. Ah, now we've got lights. Excellent. This little rubber bung can go back in, just like that, and go in the bin. All done. Thanks very much for watching. Bye bye.